Fize Khan here, and I was an alumni of Beacon House Defence Campus, class of 2017. This is my first time coming after graduating, so I'm super excited to visit my school again after so many years. You know, meet my teachers, explore the school again. I've heard quite a bit has changed in the school. I'm really excited to see the changes as well. So join me as I take a trip down the memory lane. Oh wow, I remember this corridor. And oh my god, Sir Rashid, Sir Fawad and Sir Lodi. I remember this Hall of Fame. Oh, that's Tuba. She was my batchmate. She got into MIT. She was a genius. मैं देख रही हूँ grades के ऊपर है ना, like A stars और वो. This was my class in grade 8. Miss Sabine was my class teacher. She was the English teacher and she was my class teacher. और उनका इतना impact रहा है on my journey, on my confidence. I used to sit in the front row as well, and I remember मुझे होता था कि हमेशा मेरे desk के सामने बैठना है, teacher के बिल्कुल सामने बैठना है. So yeah, I remember each and everything about this class actually. Such good memories. The best part is that I met the support staff. I mean, I've learned so much from these people. I remember when I was here back in the day, a lot of my time was spent talking to these people. I used to be best friends with the Ayabajis and with the guards and everyone, and you know, just seeing them again, talking to them again, and you know, the fact that they still remember me, like it's great. कैसे आप ठीक है? Sweet. आपको याद हूँ मैं? क्यों नहीं याद? मुझे आप बड़ी अच्छी तरह याद है. Sweet. आप वैसे के वैसे लग रहे हैं अभी भी इतने साल बाद भी. And it was so much fun meeting Miss Fatma. Miss Fatma has been an amazing teacher throughout O levels. Oh, Miss Fatma! Assalamualaikum. She still looks the same. Everything. I think all the people look the same. The school has changed. The infrastructure, everything else has changed. But the support staff, the teachers, everyone else, it still feels the same. I remember यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा cafeteria होता था मेरे time पे. We didn't have this big building. I've heard there's a swimming pool inside, an indoor basketball court, a proper cafe. I'm excited to see the cafe because for me, when I was studying here, cafeteria was like the best part. Like मैं look forward करती थी पूरा दिन कब break होगी और मैं खाना खाऊंगी. Oh wow! Oh, this is like a proper cafe now. Like we have this proper fancy cafe. How nice! हमारे time में वैसे बहुत छोटा सा कैफेटेरिया होता था, हम उसी को बहुत एंजॉय करते थे और बड़े खुश थे उसके साथ. बट अब तो एक प्रॉपर फैंसी कैफ़े बन गया. आई लव द नेम एज वेल, डाउनटाउन कैफ़े. हाउ नाइस. मेरा फेवरेट जो आइटम था खाने के लिए यहाँ पे, जो फेवरेट चीज़ मुझे पसंद थी, दैट वाज द स्प्रिंग रोल. एंड आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू हैव इट अगेन टुडे आफ्टर सो मेनी इयर्स. द सेम टेस्ट. मुझे एक स्प्रिंग रोल मिलेगा? थैंक यू सो मच. Thank you. I'm बहुत excited हूँ मैं यहाँ खाने के लिए. I have so many memories on this stage as well. और बड़ी अच्छी memories. I remember hosting a lot on this stage. मैंने O-level farewell host किया था senior year का on this stage. बहुत ज़्यादा I remember assemblies होती थी, वो host करती थी और मुझे बड़ा शौक था assemblies में बोलने का, hosting करने का. I was never really good at sports, but I do remember sitting here with my friends and watching people play. I mean, I liked basketball and I liked badminton, even though I wasn't very good at it, but I enjoyed watching people play it. I enjoyed trying to play basketball and badminton. And I remember all these sports fests we used to have and just the memories here. It was amazing. The library has changed so much. मुझे याद है कि whenever I wanted to miss the break time, तो मैं library में आके छुप जाती थी, and I used to study here a lot. और मुझे ये भी याद है कि me and my friends, we had this specific table जहाँ पे हम बैठते थे, वो उस side पे था. We had separate sections, and I used to sit on that side with my friends here. और I remember Miss Lubna हमारी librarian होती थी, उनके साथ बड़ा मज़ा आता था. She was very kind, very accommodating. It was an absolute honor coming back and visiting my campus again. And thank you so much, boss, for inviting me again after so many years to visit my campus. And I think ये जो एक initiative है boss का, you know, staying connected with the alumni, it's amazing. I'm so thankful to boss.
Beacon House Old Student Society, POS, building a community together.